State-owned power major NTPC Limited has announced the declaration of commercial operation of 100 megawatts out of 176 megawatts capacity of its solar PV project at Ramagundam, Telangana, effective from May 2, 2026. Under its Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative, Steel Authority of India Limited Rourkela Steel Plant organized a sustainable organic farming workshop in collaboration with National Institute of Technology Rourkela to empower women from nearby villages. Southern Railway has formally forwarded the draft Memorandum of Understanding to the Railway Board, marking a decisive step forward in the long-awaited takeover of the Mass Rapid Transit System by Chennai Metro Rail Limited. NMDC Limited reported total iron ore production of 4.64 million tons in April 2026 compared with 4.00 million tons in April 2025, reflecting steady year-on-year growth. Region-wise production: Chhattisgarh 3.66 million tons versus 2.85 million tons in April 2025. Karnataka 0.98 million tons versus 1.15 million tons in April 2025. Total 4.64 million tons versus 4.00 million tons year-on-year. In a significant development for India's hydropower sector, Anish Gauraha, Executive Director at NHPC Limited, formally assumed charge as the regional head of the company's operations in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh on May 1, 2026. Southeastern Coalfields Limited has been conferred with the prestigious Performance Excellence Award 2025-2026 by the Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering during the 26th CEO's Conference. The award was presented by Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. A quarterly performance review meeting of SJVN Limited was chaired by Pankaj Agarwal, Secretary Power, Government of India, at the company's corporate headquarters in Shimla. The meeting was attended by senior officials including Diwakar Nath Misra, Additional Secretary Hydro and EC and ET, and Milind Ganesh Gokhale, Member Hydro, Central Electricity Authority. In a proud achievement for India's coal sector, Western Coalfields Limited (WCL) has been honored with the Performance Excellence Award 2025-2026 by the Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering. ITI Limited has informed stock exchanges about the resignation of its Chief Financial Officer, marking a key change in the company's senior leadership. According to the official filing, Prasad Barre, General Manager Corporate Finance and Chief Financial Officer, has tendered his resignation on personal grounds. Indian Railways has sanctioned major infrastructure and capacity enhancement projects worth 895.30 crore rupees, focusing on metro power system modernization and strengthening critical freight bridge infrastructure.